beaten rice, banana, dates, coconut milk soup, or sweet beaten rice, banana, dates, coconut milk soup. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most unique of the veg recipes and one of the most nutritious of the dates recipes and one of the most different of the banana recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most tastiest of the dessert recipes. Today we are going to make rice flakes banana dates soup. The ingredients are around 6 to 7 dates, 2 bananas cut into pieces, around 100 grams of rice flakes or beaten rice, 2 to 3 cardamoms, around 50 grams of cashew, 50 grams of raisins. Heat the pan and put in 75 grams of ghee or clarified butter. Spread the butter in the pan, let it get heated. Put in the cardamom, cloves, salt, the cardamom cloves, take off the pan, put in the dried dates, salt until the dates become soft. Take them off the pan. And now put in the cashew. Until the cashew becomes brown. Now put in the rice flakes or beaten rice with cardamom that we roasted earlier. Salt thoroughly. Salt the rice flakes thoroughly. Now put in the dates from which we have taken out the seeds. Salt. Salt in the dates and crush. Now put in the banana pieces. Pour in the coconut. Mix. Pour in 250 ml of coconut milk. Mix thoroughly. And let the mixture cook for 6 minutes if in the pressure cooker, or 10 minutes if in the open pan. Now put in around 75 grams of sugar. Mix. Mix thoroughly. Put in a pinch of salt, mix, and let the mixture cook for the required amount of time. After cooking for the required amount of time, garnish with the cashew and the raisins that we have already fried earlier. Mix and take off the flame and serve. This is the final beaten rice, banana, dates, coconut milk soup, or sweet beaten rice, banana, dates, coconut milk soup. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the veg recipes and one of the most unique of the soup recipes and one of the most nutritious of the dates recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the beaten rice recipes and one of the most different of the coconut milk recipes and one of the most unique of the banana recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.